Hi, my name's Jürgen from the SmartNose Bakery. Most cameras doesn't geotag the pictures because there is no GPS module installed. You probably say, "What? I paid so much for that camera and there is no GPS installed?" But wait, there's a reason for this. A GPS module uses a lot of energy and you don't want the camera's battery drained by something stupid like GPS, aren't you? In most cases, the manufacturer offers an app to solve this issue. Such an app will pair your smartphone with your camera to provide GPS information from your smartphone, at least in the theory. In practice, the app will lose constantly the connection to the camera and the app drains the battery of your smartphone instead of draining the camera's battery. In this video I'll show you how to geotag your pictures with GPS Nose. Simple, fast and battery friendly. So stay tuned. You have to set the camera's clock correctly. This is very important later on when we sync the track with the pictures. On your smartphone you have to install GPS Nose. In the description of this video you will find the link to the App Store and the Google Play Store. Don't worry, it's free. Open the app and create a new account. If you already have an account, sign in. On Android you need to make sure that no battery optimization is interfering with the background activity of GPS Nose. I recommend you to create a test track to ensure the background recording works as expected. You will find the tracks via the menu. Now create a new track with a meaningful name. The description is optional or can be added later. Normally the app updates the track every 3 to 5 minutes. If this is too slow for your requirement, activate Track Boost. With the Track Boost on, the update will run every 30 seconds or so. But be aware, the Track Boost will have a bigger impact on the battery lifetime, depending on the phone you're using and the condition of the battery. If you do not want to share the track with others, you should select your private group at the community, which is always your username with a plus sign at the end. Once you're ready, start the track. From now on, your smartphone will record your movement in the background. You can now start shooting your pictures. After pictures have been taken, you can stop and finish the track. If the app has recorded bad positions, you can correct the track before saving. After saving, the track will be available for download. To do so, click the GPX button and transfer the file to your computer. There are many ways to write GPS information to your pictures. To keep the video short, I only show the version with Lightroom and EXIF tool. To geotag your pictures with Lightroom, you first have to import the pictures into your Lightroom library. Once the process is complete, click Map. Below the map there is a drop-down called Track. Select Load Track Log and load the GPX file into your Lightroom. The track should now appear on the map as a blue line. Select all pictures you have shot during the track and select Offset Time Zone in the track drop-down. If the time of your camera matches the time of your computer, then you do not have to set anything here. I recommend that you always check this setting before sync. Now you can write the GPS information to the pictures. Use the track drop-down again and select Auto Tag Selected Photos. Et voila! The pictures appear on the map because the GPS information has been saved to the pictures. To use EXIF Tool, the software has to be installed on your computer. In the description you will find the link to the installation. EXIF Tool, as the name tells, writes information as EXIF into files, so the picture must be available as JPEGs. The command to sync the GPS information from the track log to the pictures is as follows. This command will tell EXIF Tool to use the function geotag. It will use the track log GPX file to geotag the pictures in the folder demo. The GPS information has now been written to the pictures, which can be checked with the following command. But with GPS Nose you are able to do more with your pictures. You can publish and share the pictures along with your track. Such a track looks like this. To create such a track, you have to open gpsnose.com, select the photo uploader and sign in with the integrated QR code scanner. Select the exported pictures and complete informations, then upload the data to GPS Nose. As you can see, the pictures will now appear on your track. You can now use the URL to share the track and pictures with your friends. That was easy, right? The battery of your smartphone is still in good condition. With one battery charge you can easily record a 12-hour track. Additionally, the track and all pictures can be shared. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please subscribe to the channel. We'll be doing more videos like this in the future. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.